right now.
They get to go on the boat.
Yeah.
I want to get on it.
I might see if I could get y'all on, man. I took you on one time. Yeah, we got a picture. I had took you on a Navy ship before.
I want to go on this one.
Yeah, they might let us on too.
Execute and be obsessed. Commit, execute and be obsessed. Say less. Commit, execute and be obsessed.
I think it's called a UH-60. Navy UH-60, son. That's where we're going, to the Naval Base. Naval Base Mayport, right across the river. About to jump on the ferry. It's about to be awesome. Yes, sir. It's about to be awesome, man. 12% now? Out here waiting for the ferry. We're gonna drive right on the boat. Huh? Yeah. Big Legend back there knocked out, man. Just left the zoo, man.
You're just gonna hold it up for her. She's gonna take it right from you, okay? Just no petting or touching it. Walk right on up. You can do it either way.
Yeah.
Yes.
Get a little bit closer for her.
You gotta
She
go.
won't get you, I promise.
You gotta go up a little bit.
Like,
You want Landon to do it? Alright. Alright. That's awesome.
Would you like to give it a listen?
Yeah.
Why not, right?
Awesome. Thank you. Yeah. Look at that long time. Luna. Man, that was a long time. He is tired. Yes, he is. Is it coming? It's about to be awesome.
Mike, the people will teach me about it.
I'm gonna teach you, man. Big Legend back there, knocked out, boy. Yes, sir. They bagging in now. You see the cars in there, son? Yes, sir. Drive right on up this bad boy onto the ferry. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The lady said, go this way. Yes, sir. We drove onto the ferry boat. And we're on, son. We are on. Yes, sir. Gonna take us right across the river to the military base. And Big Legend is knocked out during the ferry ride. His first ferry ride, and he's knocked out. I guess he's gonna see it on camera though. I guess that's a good thing. Son, they don't waste no time at the ferry, man. We already getting underway, man. Already. Already getting underway, guys. Man, we out in the water, man. In the truck. That's awesome, ain't it?
Yep.
That is awesome. We got a box truck over there hanging out on the ferry. Probably about to go deliver a load and make some money. And we out here, man. Got the motorcycle people in front of us. Yes, sir. Heading to the military base. This is about to be awesome.
On behalf of the Jacksonville Transportation Authority, the National Park Service, HMS Global Maritime, successfully go through. Thank you for riding the St. John's River Ferry. We are aware the three-way system. Oh, we will be docking into the terminal. Please prepare for a possible bump if you make contact with the footwall. If there are any motorcycles on board, please report your motorcycle until we are done. Again.
Alright, we're pulling up. We're pulling up and about to pull off. That was a quick ride, my guy. Yes, it was. Gonna let that number go. Pulling up. We are off. Welcome to historic Mayport. Alright, now we gotta get to the base. We made it, son. Big legend, you just missed it. What we just do, son?
We went on the ship.
We was on the ferry, man. We took the truck on the ferry. You missed it. And now we on the base. We on Mayport Naval Base, man.
I will go to your. I want you to do back military while you be a back a kid.
Back military, yeah, man. We on the base right now. And we just came through the gate, and the guy, the security guard, gave me a salute, man, like how they used to do. He saluted me, man. The gate guard up there did. I got my military backpack, look, with my name on it too, with our name on the back, Manny. Hey, and we at the barracks, big legend. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go see if I could check in real quick, man. We made it to the barracks, man. To the Navy Lodge, man. I'll be right back, guys. Stay in the truck. Y'all just hang out right here. I'll be right back. Alright, son, watch Big Legend. Make sure he don't do nothing crazy. Man, I sure wish I was stationed at Mayport, man. When I was in the Navy. Staying at the barracks, man. Right on the ocean. You see that bird right there? Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, son. Man, y'all on the Navy base right now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Y'all on the Navy base.
They just look like we on a trip.
Yeah, but we at the Navy base, though. And it seems like we in another world, huh? And we on the military base. With the ocean and the beach right there. That's awesome. We might get one of these rooms up here. That's facing the ocean, Big Legend. Then we're gonna have an ocean front room, man. What you think? You wanna try to get one of them rooms up there with the patio?
Yeah.
So it's facing the ocean? All right, yeah. Let's request the ocean front room, too. Come on, son.